Wow, that was up there. All right, what's up guys? Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I got the Talion XL out. Last time I had it out, I knew it was due for a rebuild, so over the winter I put a new set of diffs in, front and rear, and then just kind of cleaned it up. I added the M2C +5 hexes because I put the Copperhead 2s on, and they actually have a little bit different offset, a little bit shorter, narrower offset. So this has the same offset as when I had the Badlands on there. And I think that's about it. I do have a set of ZRS shock caps I'm going to put on here, but I wanted to get it out today on the ramp because I have the ramp out. This will probably be a quick rip because I was just out with the Outcast. It's extremely hot, and this is just a 4,500 milliamp battery. 6S. Ooh, doggy. She rips. And stands up. So some of you probably have seen there's a new XL on the block, the Sledge XL. Whoa! Nice. See, I need the ZRS. As of now, I don't have a kit for that, so I don't think I'm going to be getting it for testing, but when it comes out production, I think I'm going to pick it up. David at Bars and Tone has it, Aldo Loyal has it. Whoa! Wow! And it's pretty close in length to this. The Sledge XL is going to be a tad bit longer. Wow, that was up there. But these XL platforms, they drive so nice. Yeah, see, I definitely need the ZRS. I kind of like these Copperheads. These are the Copperhead LPs that are on the 4S Creighton. Oh, that was almost a shaver. I kind of bailed out of that one. Dang it. Yeah, it was time to switch this XL up a little bit, try different tires. And I think these Creighton 4S tires are pretty good. Dang, man. I'm grass in my face. Grass in my face. I'm starting to wonder if that's why I always am re-gluing tires. It's because it lives in like that basement environment. It's slightly humid down there. That wasn't good. That wasn't good. That was right on the back end. It's amazing, even this long wheelbase, she wants to stand up. Man, these cars rip. This is that Hobby Star 4082. That wasn't good. 1700 kV, I think, or 1600. I think it's 1600 kV. I've had it for a long time. The 4082. Mostly people get the 4092. Wow. But the 4082 is a good little motor too, so don't be afraid to try a 4082. 4092s sometimes go out of stock pretty quick, and usually the 4082s are in stock. Also, if you can find one of these XXL2E bodies, buy it. Great body for these long wheelbase platforms. Oh, that's it already. Wow, that was a real short run. Okay. I know what I got to do with this one. Just the ZRS shock caps to help it from popping over after every big jump. Yeah, it was a little quick little bash. Again, it was the 4500 milliamp battery. I knew it wasn't gonna last long, but had to get it out. Had a good time. Love this creation. Catch you next time.